Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. So I'm at this store going to check out their fall item. Well, Jamaica don't celebrate fall, but I'm decorating for fall. The first stop is at this cushion section where they have these lovely cushions here. The prices here are like wholesale price and retail price, so if you're buying multiple items you get a discount. So like these cushions are 900 Jamaican dollars, which is around $4 for one, and you can get them in different colors, different style. They have them in plain colors as well. So if these are something that you would love to purchase and put down, you can. I'm not really a cushion person anymore. I have the fillers and I just purchase cushion covers. So if you're a person who wants some cushions, you can come on and check them out here at Meixi. They are located on Red Hills Road, Red Hills Mall Plaza to be exact. So you can come on and check them out. They have these car rest here as well for like $700, and as I mentioned, you can come on and get pattern cushions. They have summer pattern cushions, they have different plain cushions, so come and check out their cushion section. They have these two-piece set of pillow as well for $2,300. It doesn't feel too soft and it's not tough as well, or hard rather, so you can come on if you need pillow as well. This is standard size. They have bath towel here for $750, and you can also get a pack of rug for like $300. They have these blankets here. These are great gifts for like children. You know, Christmas is coming, the time is getting cold. You can come on and get these as gift for children. As I mentioned in my previous video, don't like comforters again because of the storage and it's too thick. So if you're a person with limited storage, these blankets would be great for you for storage. They have these lovely picture frame here as well. This one is for $2,500, and the prices aren't bad and the patterns aren't bad for some of them. And these one below it here as well, they have for like $4,500. I like this one here. I think I'm gonna think about it, and if I do, I'll come back and get it. They have this one here as well. Let me know which of these is your favorite pattern. So the prices aren't bad. They have many more around the aisles and stuff. So once I go around, I'll show you the other picture frames here. So around this side you can get like the photo paper. These are photo frames that you can put in the picture frames. So these are like for $350, $550, different prices. So these I'm looking at is $350. These are like for $550. So they have different sizes. If these patterns are something that you love, you can come on and get it here at Meixi. Over by this section you can get curtains. So I'm seeing a lot of plain color curtains and some patterned as well, and you can get them from $1,600 up. So if you're into the red, the beige, and so curtains and some colors are hard to get, so you can come on and check these out. They have these plate mats here as well for like $180, and if you're buying like more than 3, you get it for $150 each. So they have different colors. Placemat you can also use to do certain DIYs as well, and these are cushion covers, and the cushion covers are like $700. So these are different things that you can come and check out. These are other photo frame or picture frame rather that you can get. These are like for $4,500 or $3,500. These are $3,500 rather, and they have these type here as well. It's a large store. Apparently it was a supermarket that was here and they turned it into this department store, so you can just imagine how large this store is. There are so many items. I even see clothes, but I won't be going to that clothes section. So just to tell you guys, you can check it out when you get the chance. These frames as well are like 2,000, 2,500, 3,500, and I like this design one here as well. It's a pretty unique one, and they have like baby picture frame as well. These are like $500, $450. They have these for like $400 and so on, and they had this family tree frame as well for like $1,000. So if you want to create like a family tree, you can create a family tree as well. Over this section you can get a large mirrors, and they had them in white, they had them in gold for like $4,500, $3,500, $3,000. They have a wide variety of mirrors here, so you guys, if you're looking for mirrors, you can check them out. They had these lamps. Some of them I wasn't a fond of, a few I liked, but I would have to decide if I really like them. There were a few at Azan that I visited before that I loved, so $3,200 for these lamps. They had these candle holder as well that you can get for like $2,400 for one of these candle holders. So if you want a vibe coming up for the fall or Christmas, now is the time to start purchasing your stuff to decorate with. Over this section they had some wallpapers. I like some of them, but when I checked the pattern, I didn't really love the pattern. The color was thick, it was plain, but the pattern, I didn't like how the pattern look. But these are like large rolls for $800. So if you love these and you want to cover a section of your room, if you want to do a partition, you can get them. Above it they had these Christmas decorations, so I see like they start putting out for the Christmas, and they had like a pack for $1,000. They had other wallpapers here, but my eye caught this one here for $800. This one looked like it would be a perfect photo frame. Like I could put it into one of those wall art to make a nice picture frame or wall art with it. I'll come back and get that one. They had these clocks here as well, $3,500. Look at that Apple one. And they had the 3-piece set here as well for like $1,900. They had them in gold and silver. So this 3-piece set with the mirror you can use to decorate any space in your home. So these are really affordable. And they had these ones here as well for like $1,500. Over by this section, they had certain LED lights that I was planning on getting on Amazon. The large one at the top is like $2,700, and they had this one for $1,400. It comes with the remote and all, and I think I wanted it to put behind my bed, like especially when I'm doing my videos and some my sit down videos, I get that different lighting behind me. So if I do decide, I will come back and get that one. And now is they said the rainy season, light can go away anytime, so those would be good pieces that you can get, the battery lights that they have here. They had spray paint here as well, and tire foam for persons who are looking for something like this, $600. They have different color spray paints. These are aerosol spray paint. And for this section, which is the spice section, the spice jar section, this 12 jar set is for $3,500. They had these smaller spice jars here for like $2.50, single spice jar $2.50, that you can come on and grab. Guys, this store is a large store. I know I'm not going to be able to tell you everything that they have, but I'm just going over a few of the stuff. They have these oil bottle here. Yes, these oil bottle, $800 for that one. And they had this metal and glass one as well, the oil bottles. So you can see they have some lovely pieces. This is a cookie jar, and they also have some small vase over this side and some other jars. And the prices, as I mentioned, aren't bad. $300. And when I say $300, it's like $1 something US. And these were $180. So $180, you can just say it's $1 US, because $1 US to Jamaica would be about $1.52. So $1 something. You get the idea, right? You can get tools here as well, such as your hammer. You can get windscreen wipers. Whoa, guys, this store has a wide variety of everything. This looks like it's a one-stop shop. You can get your plug outlets, you can get sockets. So if you're doing some home reno, this is the place to be, and the prices aren't bad. They have extension cords that you can get. So these are like $400, $300, $350. So you have different price for your pocket. They have long extension cords in different feet, 15 feet, 12 feet, 20 feet. So here is where you want to be if you're doing bulk shopping. And the good thing is, you can just come in, see what you want, pick it up, go cash it out, and head out. Around this section, they have like the hose, they have the spray gun for hose, they have like chisel, they have screwdriver set, pliers set. Guys, come on to Red Hills Road, Red Hills Mall to be exact, Meixi department store, and check them out. These are some bamboo sticks that I purchased some time ago to do a DIY, and it's $300. If you're a person buy a lot of pots or frying pan, or you're short on pot covers, they have different sizes pot cover here. See them here? So all the persons that are looking out for pot covers, see them here. $300, $450, $350, all different sizes. So I know this is one issue I have, and a lot of people have. They have the pot without cover, and you have to be switching out or using the same cover for different pots. Come on and get your pot cover here. Let me know down in the comment if you are someone that is short on pot cover. So at this section, you know, it's a container section, and like this 3-piece bowl set, you can get it. It's like a butter bowl set, they call it, and like $1,000 you can get the set of 3 for. They have like this lunch dish set here as well, with the little spoon in it, or fork spoon, spork what they call it. This is around $500. And if you're a person looking for some storage, clear containers to use in your fridge or in your pantry or so, they have it here at reasonable prices. $650, $300, $550, different sizes. These are great, and some of them have handle as well, so that you can always slide it out of wherever you have it in easy. So if you're looking for clear containers, they have the large one as well for like $750. Here is the place to come and grab it, because these, you don't have to go on Amazon to get it. It's right here. They have these mini ice cream bowl set. You can purchase for the children, $180 for the pack of 4. So if it's something that you'd want, you can always come and get that here. Over this section, you can get like your storage containers, your bathtubs, and so, from $350 up. They have some for $450, they have some for $400, they have some for $500, and these are nice. These are great to add clutters around the home. These are great to store under your bed if you want to put some stuff in it, under certain shelves and so these are good items to purchase to hide away some of the clutter around the home. And they have larger clear containers that you can purchase to store different things and to put on the bed. around here you can get like your trolleys, you can get your utility carts, you can get your shelving unit. This one is great if you're a person that needs to organize certain things in the home, if you have an office area, if you want to put seasoning or like your onions and stuff. That is great. And they have this utility cart here, and behind it they have this small side table or bedside table. They have these over the bathroom shelves as well, over the toilet shelf rather, for 3,500, and they have these wooden shelves here. So as you can see, they have a wide variety of stuff that you would want to purchase. They have curtain rods, and they have different size in them, different design. Around here I saw these leaves, and guess what I saw as well? Look at this one here. This is the maple leaf, and I will be definitely purchasing this for my fall decor. So at least I find something that resembles fall. So at least, thank God, I find something finally that represents fall fully, in terms of not no pumpkin and other stuff, but some vase and stuff I can always purchase. They have this storage box for 4,500. You can always buy this to store like your sheet, comforter. These can slide under your bed easily. And at this section, you know, I always love to come to the toy section just to see if I see anything that I can DIY. But also this section is a great section where you can purchase stuff for the children. Christmas is coming now, is a time where you would want to get some of the stuff here. They have toys from $150 up. Like some of these truck, $800, $600, $1,500. Guys, come on and check out Meixi department store early so that you can get the Christmas gifts and so on. I didn't know about this store. It's someone told me about this store, and I pass this store almost every day. Not almost, but I pass this store a lot. For persons commuting to like Price Mart, a lot of you might pass this store or this plaza. Stop, check them out and see if there's anything here that you might love. On my way out, they have these clock up on this wall here as well, and some other picture frames. These picture frames are more on the simpler end. These are more simple. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please remember to subscribe. Continue watching. The next playlist on top is the other shopping videos. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.